How to buy Hachi token or Hachi token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and join the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. So this token is created 1 day ago, and the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So as you can see here, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Now open your fund wallet for that. So after that, log into your wallet like that. So click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. So here, type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Hachi token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.